how to upload high quality snaps on Snapchat. So if you want to upload high quality snaps on your Snapchat, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Snapchat and make sure that you've logged into your account. So once you get to this interface, on the right side you will have a small drop down arrow. You need to tap on the drop down, and from here you will have different adjustment options for things like beauty, camera, selfie settings, director mode. Take a moment to fine tune these settings based on your lighting and environment. This step really helped in capturing a better quality snap before you even hit the shutter. Once everything looks good, take your snap as usual. Now there's something important. A lot of people miss. Snapchat compresses snaps based on your network quality and app settings. So to avoid this, make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or 4G or 5G network. Also head over to your snap settings, video or your photo quality, and you can set it to automatic or high quality if that option is available on your device. Once you've done with that, you can go ahead and send the snap to your friends or post it to your story, and it will be uploaded in the best quality that Snapchat supports on your phone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.